Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi. Today we are going to do the last topic in lesson 5, which is pronoun suffixes with nouns. So they also come with fail verbs, but right now we are just studying when they come with nouns. So we've already studied noun adjective phrases, pronoun of separation, nisba, the relative adjective. How do you make a noun an adjective? We know that when harf ataf wow is added in hiya and huwa, how the harakas change and it becomes wahya and wahwa. It's a very small topic. Now we are going to study pronoun suffixes with nouns. So over here you see the pronouns. Yeah, so over here you see huwa is the independent pronoun and its suffix, which is the short form, is hu, as in maktabu hu. And here has a short form, the suffix, which is joined to a noun, is ha, which becomes maktabu ha. So this ha and this hu is the short form, the suffix of these independent pronouns. And similarly, anta has ka. When it is anta is independent pronoun, it comes separately. But when it is attached to a noun, this suffix is used, ka. Anti, ki, ana, i. Now, over here, and by the way, we are just right now doing, a third person masculine singular. So all the singular forms. We are not doing the plural forms or the dual forms. We are doing the singular forms, first, second, third person in singular form and masculine and feminine. So short forms basically, when they are added to, added to the end of the word. So when you make this pronoun, as a suffix, you add it to the end of the word. Also, this pronoun suffix is added to a noun. Then what happens? It becomes expresses possession. So basically, maktabun, excuse me, maktabun is office. Maktabuki or maktabuka is your office. So this is expressing possession of an object or a noun. Now, there are a few points that we need to consider in this topic. So, for example, over here you see maktabun and al-maktabu. So this is definite, al-maktabu is definite, maktabun is indefinite. When it becomes maktabuhu, so when you join the pronoun suffix with it, basically what happens, the pronoun suffix is added to the noun, and then there is no al and no nunation. So over here, if you see, when you added who, the pronoun suffix al, you can't put al, and also the nunation is gone. It has to be light. Excuse me. Another thing to consider is over here when you see noun adjective phrases, maktabuhu, maktabuhul jadidu, his new office. So it's an adjective, noun adjective phrase. Excuse me. Jamiatuka, Jamiatukal Kabiratu, your large university. So this is a noun adjective phrase. Now what happens in noun adjective phrase? The noun which is with pronoun, Maktabuhu, Jamiatuka, it's with pronoun, right? So this takes a definite adjective. So always remember when you add a pronoun suffix to a noun, it becomes definite, and therefore you will take the definite noun for adjective for it. So when you are describing a noun with pronoun suffix, it has to be definite. Now over here you see the three cases: maktabuka, maktabukika, maktabika, and maktabaka. Your office, but in rafa nasab jar form. Over here you see when pronoun is added to noun, uh, it is added after the case ending. That means the pronoun is coming after the u, e, a, the case ending, the harakas, the last harakas. However, in pronouns, first person singular suffix. So first person is e, singular is e, I. When that is added to stem of noun, so it is added to the stem. So you won't see a haraka here. So it is without case ending. So basically, it is kind of hiding its haraka, and you will determine it, from the context. What is it saying? Over here, you see another thing, that maktabuhu and maktabahu. But over here, it is maktabihi. Why is that? Because who, which means his, it has a dhamma. It is usually who. But when you add it with word ending with kasra, e, with word ending with e, the long e. So yeah, so over here with e, which is yeah, long e, vowel, and a. So then the vowel is changed. Of who, it becomes he, only when it is in genitive case. So these are a few points you have to keep in mind when you are adding a pronoun suffix to a noun. This brings us to the end of this topic. However, if there are any outstanding questions, please feel free to ask on the group, and one of us will be able to help you, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.